Hey guys, Precious here, and today I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a pack with me for my 2020 summer vacation. And this summer, I am going to Miami, Florida, like I do almost all of my other summers. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my process of packing. Today is actually Sunday. I leave tomorrow. My packing process started a few days ago, but I'm just going to show you guys the immediate, like me actually packing. I did make a packing list, which is right here, and you'll probably hear me refer to this list a few times throughout this video. So yeah, I'll just tell you guys a little bit about that first. Okay, so my packing list, I actually make a list of everything I want to pack for wherever I go. Whether it's a big vacation or a small vacation, I suggest making a packing list because it makes everything better, makes the stress less stressful, and you have a better chance of not forgetting anything. So on my packing list, I have 4 categories, as well as a continued category for things that I forgot earlier. I have a toiletries category, a carry-on category, a clothing category, and a nail kit category. I will go through the things that are on the actual list in every category as I'm packing those categories. So yeah, we're gonna do a toiletries category, and I'm going to be doing the clothing and nail kit category as well. So yeah, let's go right on into the packing. So I have laid out everything that I am ready to put. Oh, there's the news in the background. I've laid out everything that I'm going to go ahead and put into my suitcase, clothes and jewelry wise. And I also laid out everything from my nail kit to put in there. So the only thing that goes in this big bag is going to be my toiletries. There we go. It's going to be my toiletries. But let me just go ahead and show you what I have so far. Everything kind of everywhere at the moment. I have like my actual clothes and stuff on the bed, and then I have like my nail kit stuff right there, and then I was going through my jewelry and sorting it out while I was sitting on the floor. My shoes are already in my suitcase. I have my I think those are my Jordan slides. I have some sandals, my Disney flip-flops, my burgundy Vans, and my white low-top Chucks in here because, you know, they can go with anything. That's my packing list, obviously. And then I have socks, and then I'm going to put the rest of my bras in there later, and underwear and stuff is in there. So everything that I have on here is pretty simple. So these basically this stuff is like chill clothes, workout clothes, stuff for me to actually like sit around in the house in and just like chill. This is my pajama pile. So these shorts and these pants can be paired with any cami that I have, and then this is an actual like pajama set from Pink, and then I have a ton of different camis in different colors and styles. These are racer back camis that are thicker, and then these are thinner, you know, classic cami tops. And then I have 4 pairs of like long jeans. 2 of them are from Fashion Nova, which would be this top one and this bottom one. And then I have this mustard yellow pair from Walmart, and then I have this overall pair from, I believe, Forever 21. And then this is just my bathing suit and my cover up, which hopefully I can get some more bathing suits. And then these 2 piles, so this pile as well as this pile here, are both shirts and tops. And then I have this this pile here, which is my sweatshirts and jackets. So I have this all black sweatshirt from LB Life. I have this Adidas multicolored jacket, and then I have this olive green windbreaker from LB Life as well. It's really cute. I'll link the LB Life online store down below in the description box for you guys to check out. And then I have 4 pairs of shorts in different colors and washes, and then I have 4 dresses. This dress right here goes with the shirt underneath it, so yeah. And then if we come over here, this is all the stuff that I'm going to be putting inside of my nail kit, which I'm going to be putting into this bag, and this is just the bag that you get from the orthodontist with like all the extra stuff in it. And then this bag I'm going to put my toiletries in, which we will do together later on or in a minute. So yeah, in my nail kit, I put a nail polish color and a clear nail polish, a nail file, a mini buffer, a brush, cuticle pusher, nail clippers. This is a straight edge, this is a curved edge. This is a, I forgot what kind of nail file this is, but it's different. I use this for something else. And then I have a cuticle nipper and I have nail glue here. So all of this stuff is gonna go into that bag. And then we come over here to my jewelry over here on the floor. My jewelry is going to end up going into this bag, as well as this box. My ring, my Minnie Mouse ring, which I usually have on, is in here. Yeah, I got my Minnie Mouse ring in here. And then I have this little mini bag from Zales that I'm going to put all of my earrings into. And put all my earrings in here. So I have 3 pairs of hoops. This is a smaller, more simple silver pair, and then I have these bolder gold ones, and then these bolder silver ones, and then I have this pair of earrings which goes with this necklace, and then I have these pair of circle studs. I have this pair of little gold studs, these pearls, and then these leaf pattern ones. And then I have my watch, which I just wear to like spice up an outfit. It's really nothing serious. And then I have my gold bar bracelet, which I want to get my nameplate. This is a nameplate, but I want to get my name engraved on it. And then I have these 2 bracelets, which I believe are from Claire's. And then I have this 3-layer necklace. It has a regular layer, and then 1 layer has this bar. And then I think this is the middle layer that has the circle on it. So this, I believe, is from Forever 21. And this set, I'm not really sure where it's from. It was a gift. So yeah, so all these, the necklaces, bracelets, and the watch are just going to go into this actual bag by itself, along with the ring. And then all my earrings are going to go into this little bag, which is also going to go in there. So these little... we're gonna call them straws. I made straws for this, but basically what I'm gonna do with them is you thread the bracelet or the necklace through the straw, and you clasp it around so the straw kind of keeps them separated, so that they don't get tangled up in each other. You'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, so that's everything that I have pulled out to the side for now. I'll just go ahead and time lapse me putting my jewelry in there, and as well as my clothes being put into the suitcase. I brought my toiletry bag with me. It's a good size, honestly. So we're just gonna grab, we're gonna grab my moisturizer, deodorant, sunscreen, what else? My mom has body spray and perfume, but I want to bring a body shimmer. This is the Warm and Cozy Shimmer Soft Vanilla and Couch Surfing Scented Shimmer Mist from Pink. So I think, yeah, I'm gonna bring this one. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead, and the bag is actually dirty on the inside too. That's just makeup. It's dirty on the inside and the outside, but it's fine, you know? It's okay. No one's really paying attention to that. So I'm gonna put in my deodorant, my sunscreen, this body shimmer. I'm gonna leave this out. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that out. So yeah, I'm gonna put those three things. I'm gonna put those three things in there. I'm gonna leave this actual bag out so I could use it tomorrow morning before I leave. So yeah, let's go to the bathroom and get the rest of the stuff. Welcome to my bathroom. Okay, so this is my drawer here. So I'm gonna bring my face wash, bring my witch hazel. I was just gonna bring some of my witch hazel, but I'm gonna be there the whole summer. Honestly, I can just bring some. I'm gonna bring some of this, not the whole thing. And then my face wash I'll just bring because I can get another one, to be honest. And then I'm gonna bring, well, I need this in the morning. So I need to refill this. This usually has my cotton pads in it for my witch hazel, but it's fine. So I'll just, okay, so I'm gonna leave this bag in here so I can actually use that stuff tomorrow. I'm probably gonna end up not bringing this whole thing just because it's so big. I'll probably end up putting some of it in another container because I'm not gonna use not even half of this by the end of the summer. So I'm just probably gonna end up putting that in a different container. And yeah, I think that is all for my toiletries for now. Hopefully I'm gonna bring Carmex with me in general, and Carmex I can get anywhere, honestly, but I am gonna bring a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna bring a lot because I don't have Carmex on right now and I'm paying for it, but it's fine. Hey guys, so I have put almost everything, all the toiletries we talked about, in this bag, and then I just left my body shimmer out. So I'm going to put the actual spray here. Well, you can't see it, but I'm gonna put the actual spray in between a couple clothes, and then this toiletry bag I'll probably end up putting, I'll figure it out, but the toiletry bag is actually gonna end up staying outside of my backpack is gonna actually end up staying outside of the suitcase until tomorrow morning, because obviously I'm gonna have to use all that stuff to get ready with. So I'm not gonna actually put it inside of the bag right now. I'm gonna leave it out. But honestly, that is all for my pack with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos from me and more content that I create. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!